Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn about the application of the part design tools called Sprocket. You also learn the way to invoke this tool. This part design transformation tool is called Sprocket. This tool allows you to create a 2D profile of a sprocket or chain wheel. It can be padded with the part design pad feature. Sprockets are used in bicycles, motorcycles, tracked vehicles, and other machinery either to transmit rotary motion between two shafts where gears are unsuitable or to impart linear motion to a track, tape, etc. Here you find the way to invoke the part design Sprocket tool and the steps to apply this tool. To create the sprocket, you need to know the parameters of sprocket like number of teeth and the norm of the sprocket. By setting these parameters, you will get a 2D profile of the sprocket. From this 2D profile, you can create a 3D feature, pad. Then, this 3D feature can be redesigned according to the specification. In the following examples, I will show you the application of the part design Sprocket tool with two different standards like ANSI and ISO and number of teeth. Create a body and then select the Sprocket tool from part design menu. Automatically created this sprocket 2D profile. Then you can change the sprocket parameters in this window. When you change the norm ANSI or ISO, the other parameters like chain pitch, chain roller diameter, and tooth width are changed automatically. Create 3D feature pad. Put the thickness of the sprocket. Create a sketch to redesign the sprocket. Create fillet with 2 mm radius. create a hole. Create a chamfer. You can edit the parameters by double-click the Sprocket object in the tree view. In the following examples, I will show you how to change the parameters and the effect on the sprocket. That is for today about the application of the Part Design Sprocket tool in FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.